Hi and welcome to the Secure Software Architecture and Design Patterns in Java EE Part 1 course by EC Council. What is Java EE? What are design patterns? What are the security features available in Java EE? Well, you will learn all of them in this course. Let's find out how you are going to learn them. This course has 9 sections. In each section, you will be putting one step forward in the journey to learn about the Java Enterprise Edition and about Java EE design patterns and to get a basic overview of the security features available in Java EE. Section 1 is getting to know the Java Enterprise Edition. Here, you will take a glance at the different available Java editions and their focus, identifying the differences between Java SE and Java EE. Take a look at what the Java Enterprise Edition offers you and outline the major Java EE specifications. Section 2 is getting to know the Java EE architecture. Here, you will learn about the multi-tiered model of Java EE. Java EE Server and its containers, and about Java EE APIs. In section 3, you will learn how to build your very first Java EE application. You will learn how to set up your development environment, create a basic Java EE application using the NetBeans IDE, add web business and EIS tier components to the application, and then package and deploy it on the application server. Section 4 is about Java EE design patterns. It introduces you to the concept of design patterns and then talks about presentation, business, and EIS tier design patterns of Java EE. In section 5, you will be explaining the practical applications of the presentation tier design patterns. You will learn about the use cases, pros and cons, and practical implementation of intercepting filter, front controller, view helper, and composite view design patterns. Section 6 teaches you the practical applications of business tier design patterns of Java EE in terms of their use cases, pros and cons, and practical implementation. Here, you will see the business delegate, service locator, and transfer object design patterns in action. The section 7 talks about the practical applications of integration tier design patterns used in Java EE, like the data access object pattern and web service broker design pattern, with their use cases, pros and cons, and the practical implementation. Section 8 of the course allows you to take a glance at the security features available in Java EE, giving you an overview of the core features in the Java EE Security API. Finally, in Section 9, we'll talk a little bit about the paradigm shift of application architectures and Java EE. Here, you will learn about monolithic versus microservices architecture, the shift from Java EE to Jakarta EE, and the cloud computing focus of Jakarta EE. There are a few prerequisites for this course. What are they? As minimum hardware requirements, it's good to have around 4 GB of memory in your computer, or at least 2 GB for the Windows platform and 1 GB for non-Windows platforms. Storage of 250 MB minimum, but it's recommended to have around 500 MB free disk space on your computer as well. As minimum software requirements, you should have Windows, Linux, or Mac operating systems installed on your machine. You're free to use your favorite web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other. You should also use an ID of your choice like NetBeans, IntelliJ, or any other. But it's recommended that you use the NetBeans ID here for a better learning experience. You'll also need to install Java Standard Edition 8. It is recommended that you use the latest release of the Java Standard Edition 8 platform and Java Enterprise Edition Platform SDK 8U1. In section 3, you will be guided on how to install and set up Java SE and Java EE platforms on your computer. By the end of this course, you will have all the skills and knowledge to be able to build your own Java enterprise application and have laid a solid foundation to advance your skills on other technologies built on top of the Java Enterprise Edition. So let's get started. In the next video clip, which would be the first video of the first section of the course, let's take a glance at the different Java editions and their focus. So until then, good luck and thanks for taking this course.